Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a backpack coolers, single door, glass door at the front. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's length, it is about like a 23 and 3 inches wide. And the about like a 20 inches deep. Also, the overall heights, they are about like a 33.5 inches tall. So as we can see the units, they come in with a glass door at the front. So when we pull it up, we can feel them they're using the double layer glass and the door is shoved closed too. And when we're looking the inner side, they come in with 3 shelvings inner side and the 2 topping is adjustable the heights. The dimension of it, it's about like a 15 inches deep. And the 17 inches wide. And the overall height, it is about like a 26.5 inches tall. So when we're looking down the units, we can see they do have a stairs at the behind. It is about like 8.5 inches deep. So all the compressor system is mounted at the behind. And also they do have a circling fan on top of it. And they do have LED light strips is right here. And also when we're looking the behind of the units, we have seen the ETL sanitation stickers on it, car sheets, and diagram informations from the manufacturers. They offer the standard of 110 plugs. And the compressor system, you can obviously see the mounting at the bottoms, and they do have a covers on it. On side of the units, we do have a small controller, a digital controller on side. You can set in the temperature you want. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.